Hello everyone, welcome to Saola Animate tutorials. Today I will show you how to create sprite sheet animations with Saola Animate. Sprite sheets are commonly used in games and storybooks. A sprite sheet is an image file containing several smaller graphics in a tile grid arrangement. Saola allows you to use the graphics while only needing to load a single file. This loading efficiency can be very helpful when you want to improve your animation performance. Now we'll learn to create sprite sheets step by step. First, insert a sprite sheet image into scene. Click the Creating Sprite Sheets button in the Properties pane. Saola offers two modes to define sprite types: Default Sprite and Custom Sprite. Use Default Sprite to generate frames automatically. If you have a uniform sprite sheet, that is a grid of equally sized rectangles. If not, use Custom Sprite to generate frames manually. Let's start with the Default Sprite mode. This mode automatically defines frames for you. You only need to specify the number of rows and columns. All frames and changes you make are immediately reflected in a preview window right here. You can adjust the margins between frames and the edges of the preview window. The padding between each frame is also customizable. You can see the changes to be made in the preview window. Notice the animation duration box at the bottom of the dialog box. You can adjust the speed of the movement in your sprite sheet by specifying the duration in milliseconds or as FPS. Now let's preview by clicking the Play Animation button. Click the Stop Animation button to stop previewing. The second mode to create sprite sheets is Custom Sprite. Select Custom Sprite to manually define frames. Click the Add Frame button. There are two ways to specify frame properties. The first one is to drag and resize frames in the preview window. Then click the Add Frame button again to add other frames. Click the Play Animation button to preview the animation. If you don't want any frame, click the Remove Frame button to delete it. The second way to generate frames is to modify values in the frame position and size boxes. This way can make it easier for you to create same-size frames. Now click the Play Animation button to preview. Again, if you want to change the movement speed of the sprite sheets, enter a new value in the animation duration box. If not, click OK to finish. It's time to see the result. You can see a sailor quietly working in the forest at dawn. So that's how to create sprite sheet animations in Saola Animate. Thank you for watching.